If you learned to master a skill where you could make four figures in one day, would you consider leaving your job? That's a question I asked myself a long time ago, and the quick answer was hell yeah. Today the futures market opens at 6 p.m. Eastern time on Sunday. So it's Sunday evening. The futures market has been open now for 1 hour. The market opened up down almost 2% already. It gapped down. So come Monday morning, we're likely going to be gapped down. The market will be down. There's huge imbalances now in the market, and this is perfect for day traders as there's going to be a lot of volatility this week. The market, the New York Stock Exchange is not even open yet, but yet the futures market is already down over 1.5%. It's going to be a great week of volatility. Here's a trade that I took off this huge imbalance. Saw that there was some bounce, so there was some support around this 200-day moving average. It's a very important level. This 200-day moving average is going to be very important throughout the week. I took an entry once I saw support, bounced off support off our orange algorithm that we have identified, and in under 10 minutes, you got a four-figure day before the work week even starts. Keep following the SPY day trading community in the Discord. Eric is teaching us high-level day trading skills. You will be learning from a master day trader, a Wall Street market wizard. Eric is on levels above anybody you've ever seen, any influencer, any YouTuber. He is on levels above the best ones that you think you've seen on YouTube. Prove me wrong. Follow us on the Discord community. Keep watching, keep learning, and have a great start to the week. It's going to be fantastic. There's a lot of volatility going to happen this week.